Here is how to turn regular labels into big glassy looking labels. Here's a map of states that I've got going, and here are their labels. I'm gonna make them giant and bold, in this case, point size of 72. Instead of solid white, I'm gonna format this polygon symbol. Fonts are just polygons in Pro. I'll give it a gradient fill because I want it to look glassy. I'll choose linear and continuous, which will make it look very smooth. I'll go from mostly transparent white to totally transparent white. And we'll see that now it's really glassy looking, but it's kind of hard to read, not much structure. I'll format the polygon once more, go into the structure, add a layer, this time a stroke outline. And I'm gonna make that outline white, semi-transparent white, specifically 50% transparent, and now we've got some structure. It's looking a lot better. I'll go one last time into format polygon symbol. I'm gonna add another stroke layer. This time I'm gonna drag it all the way to the bottom. I'm gonna be making this look like a little shadow. So I'll give it a gradient stroke, and it'll be relatively thick, 4 points, and then offset by half of its thickness. And this will go from semi-transparent black to fully transparent black, like a shadow. And now I've got a cool glassy label that's got some structure, it's got some depth to it, and it actually looks pretty cool showing data as well. And it looks pretty cool when you play around with different colors. Give it a shot and have fun.